Maxie's Farm Adventures, discovering animal traits. Sheep. Sheep live on the farm. Sheep say, "Baa." Sheep eat grass. Baby sheep are called lambs. Chicken. Hens, chicks, and roosters live in a hen house. Hens say, "Cluck." Hens like to eat corn. They provide eggs. Duck. Ducks live in a lake. Ducks say, "Quack." Ducks eat fishes and plants. Baby ducks are called ducklings. Cow. Cows, calves, and oxen live in a cow barn. Cows say, "Moo." They like to eat grass. Cows provide milk. Pig. Pigs live in a pigsty. Pigs say, "Oink." Pigs roll in mud. Baby pigs are called piglets. Horse. Horses live in a stable. Horses say, "Neigh." Baby horses are called foals. Maxie had a fantastic time discovering all about the animals on the farm.